Well, I'm just out for a little hike today, and I decided to stop and make a cup of coffee using a ESBIT stove with a grate that my friend Dan made for me. And I've got a rock corral built around it to trap heat, keep the heat inside there, reflecting it, and also to fireproof it. I used a UST tablet, but didn't get a complete boil with the UST tab. Almost, but that's the downfall of these tablets. So I did get a rolling boil with a few pieces of twig in there. And yes, I do drink instant. I'm not picky. I'll just stir that up a little bit. That should do that. Yeah, and fire's pretty much out. So we'll just trap that in there and let it cool. Keep an eye on it while we enjoy our coffee. Yeah, so just a nice woodsy spot, nice and chill in here in the shade. That's good. Got my pack suspended here. Interesting thing, I pulled out a lighter that I had in this accessory pouch on the front of my pack, and it was completely dry and devoid of any fluid, any butane fluid. So it's been in there a few months, and I actually had a cable tie around the body of the lighter to keep the little tab from being depressed, and still somehow it leaked out. It was one of those cheap Scriptos, so that's probably my bad, but it's just real interesting. You know, check your stuff, don't count on it and think it'll be there when you need it. Now fortunately I had matches, and I think it's always wise to carry multiple ways to put out your fires, or to make your fires. It'd be foolish to rely on one thing. But show you a little close-up here. So my friend Dan made this grate, and I think he made it out of probably welding rods, welding them together, steel rods, and then it's just a generic ESBIT stove down there, and yeah, that's all there is to it, in a rock corral. So anyway, I'm gonna enjoy my coffee, and thank you for joining me, and we'll chat with you later. Have a great day.